jump.
I got to play Supercross 25 the game before it was released. And not only did I get to play against Hayden Deegan himself, I got to ride on the track riding pit bikes, AR-12, Black Panther, and Kellen Brower from Start Your Systems. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my experience from Indy, both playing the game and riding pit bikes on the Supercross track. If you guys watch to the end, I'm going to have unreleased gameplay footage that nobody has seen yet from me playing against Hayden Deegan in a head-to-head battle on the Supercross track, and on a couple other tracks that you guys haven't seen yet. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe to me so you can see more content like this. God bless you all, and enjoy the video.
Where are we, guys? We are at Lucas Oil Stadium here. We're promoting Supercross 25 the game. We're trying on some cool gear, representing the sponsors, and have a good time. We got Theo, Black Panther here. I don't believe, is it your first time riding Supercross?
Yes.
Awesome. So Black Panther's coming out riding Supercross for the first time. We got the dudes out here sending it already. Let's go give it a shot. All right, let's get this pitter going. How's it going?
Hey, good, bro.
Hey, if you just saw that, that's the route you guys will be doing. Just circle like that. We're not doing anything crazy.
There you go.
There you go. Running this morning pretty good.
Gotta warm her up. All right. Let's get it. We're on the pitter, baby. Let's go. We got the Deegs up here. Hell yeah. You good? I can't even hit the rear brake on this thing. All right, so we just did the old TTR 110. Now we're gonna go to the 125, a little bit bigger. This one's like an actual dirt bike. All right, someone get a flag going. We need a flagger.
Ready?
Yep. Buddy, let's go. Woohoo! So we got the TTR 125. Good times. All right, Theo on the 110. Hell yeah. Rockin'. What's the strategy, Deegan?
Shift up and hold her wide.
I trust this guy. I hear he's got a good track record.
Hold her wide. Yep. That's the strategy.
Oh, we're drag racing.
We're drag racing. Here we go.
Oh, I don't want to be in front of this guy. I gotta race this.
We got the battle of the YouTubers right now. He gets a little torque steer. Oh, and he jumped the start. He just jumped in the start, but it's okay. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Get into third gear. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh.
Yeah! Hold her wide. Hold her wide. I did a jump. I'm all good.
You good?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah, yeah. Going on? We got YouTubers down.
Get the flag away. You guys are not.
We need a red flag. Bro. That's what I'm talking about.
That's a highlight.
This is what we came for. This is what we came for.
I saw you send it. I'm like,
He's getting it. Let's go. Now we got dirt on the pants. We broke them in.
yeah. Okay.
All right. Dude, these guys are sending it a little too hard. Oh my goodness. We ain't on their insurance, so we got to keep it a little safer.
Nice. We got it down now.
There we go. We figured her out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. That's what I'm talking about.
And I just put my phone away.
And his reaction was freaking hilarious.
Yeah. Because I just said, has someone ever crashed doing this?
Oh my gosh. See, this is why you come out and chill the day before, right?
Yeah.
And you always get hurt on the pitters. That's what they tell you.
Yeah.
I told you we were going full send.
Dude, you did it. I'm proud of you.
I've never been on a dirt bike, never ridden
I'm
on a
proud of
dirt.
you for that. I got mad respect. And you got a little laceration on the wrist and the hand.
Oh, that's my cat.
Okay.
We'll tell it.
We're going to tell everybody it's from the bars. That was good.
That's awesome.
Broke him in.
I know.
That's like the first thing.
Broke him in.
Taste the dirt.
Yeah.
I can't believe Dean came out in the Gucci's. He's,
Actually, these are the only shoes I got here. I don't want to, but.
it's all good. I was dumb enough to wear my white shoes too, so.
Yeah, white's not great.
Oh, here we go. He's getting confident.
I'm going to critique him like you got it.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, yeah.
Oh!
I missed that as
Oh!
well.
You need to chill. Look at this.
Right.
Tell us everything's going wrong.
He's doing everything. Everything's all wrong.
I guess, what are we doing? A proper race now? No sight lap.
How are the bars? You get here? Oh, yeah.
All right.
Bruh.
Yeah, let's get sturdy with it. All right. Let's get it. We'll do a proper start this time. Oh, false neutral. Oh, we're gonna get kicked out of here for that. All right. Try not to get kicked out of here. What can we get away with? Gotta take the cheater line sometimes. If you ain't cheating, you ain't winning.
That was a good race.
There we go. It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
With mad respect.
Yeah, man. No problem.
We almost touched.
No kidding.
Had to give them something to watch.
Without further ado, the part you guys probably skipped ahead to, some real life gameplay footage between me and Hayden Deegan battling it out on the Supercross tracks, as well as an outdoor track that you guys haven't seen yet. Enjoy.
Cool playing yourself, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Damn.
turn sound up on it.
Getting tough lock.
Alright, so go easy on me. I'm clearly not the best at this game, but this will give you guys an idea. Oh, nice whip. This will give you guys an idea of what the game feels like from a POV perspective. I've seen a lot of people post in third person, and to be honest, I think most of us are going to be playing this in the POV perspective, so check it out. I personally love it. It feels just like my POV when I'm riding my dirt bike. San Diego is possibly my favorite track that I got to play, mainly because the track deformation, also the way the jumps look when you're hitting them, they look so lifelike, and to scale, the turns are a little bit more banked. You can definitely get sideways off of them. I haven't quite learned how to whip correctly yet, but as you can see, I do throw a couple good ones here and there. But check this track out, man. It's a lot of fun. I feel that once I get better at playing the game, I'm definitely going to be able to utilize a lot more of the game's physics. As you can see, the POV mode is by far the sickest way to play this game. I personally like it because it's similar to my POV footage that I get when I'm out riding at the track. So I feel like it's a very good one-to-one scaling for what it really feels like to ride on a track. But I'm going to stop yapping so you guys can get a real feel for what this track looks like and sounds like, because they really nailed the audio on every single bike. They all sound very unique. This YZ250F actually sounds like a real YZ250F hitting the rev limiter, which for me is extremely immersive and super rad. So enjoy, guys. If you're like me, you're probably going to want the pre-order code for this, so I'm going to put it down in the bio so you guys can pre-order this game. One thing I didn't touch on that I wanted to point out that you probably noticed already is you can rear brake slide and cut down in these corners. Something that I started doing, and it actually increased my speed on the track tenfold. And before I get too carried away, here is the next track in the list. And I'm sure you guys have been hearing all about it. This is the famous Mount Rushmore outdoor track that was created just for Supercross 25 the game. It brings elements of the outdoors. To me, it reminds me of if Mammoth Motocross and Yosemite had a baby and then you threw Mount Rushmore in the background. The elements are insane on this track, the way that they got all the attention to detail. It really feels like you're in the outdoors experiencing it, especially when you play in the POV range that I like to play in. I'm not going to yap too much further, so you guys enjoy this. This one is really special.